Welcome! Today I'm showing how to hide photos into your gallery in your OPPO Reno 10x Zoom. First of all, you need to go into your phone gallery, only not Google Gallery, this one photos, only the standard gallery into your OPPO, these photos. Then press and hold, for example, to this photo, and then for selected this photo, and then click as set as private. Now you need to enter your privacy password. And now we got private safe, agree and continue. Access private safe and settings privacy, okay. Private safe images and video. Okay, so now I don't got only another photos in our private folder. Do it once again, and now we got successfully set as private. So click OK. And for opening this photo, need a press and hold maybe. No, not press and hold, okay. Press and hold on photos, and we open our secret album. So let's try again. For example, press and hold to albums, and enter your privacy password. And now we got our 2 private photo in our private gallery. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.